Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set pin password in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set your pin password guys. You can see in our phone guys we have pattern, but guys you want to set your pin password, so guys you can set it. So let's see how to set pin password. First of all, open your phone setting. Guys, click on security setting, screen lock. Guys, do your pattern which you have. Guys, click on pin and I choose any pin. So as size you can see 4 digit we will have to take. So we will take example for this normal password 321 next 4321. Same guys we will have to dial. Guys, now let's see. So you can see now we have pin in our phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pin password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.